Good morning, children. So, did you enjoy watching the video yesterday? What did you learn in that chapter? About the solar system. Yes, we learned about the universe, the different heavenly bodies, that is, the stars, the planets, the satellites, the asteroids, right? We also learned about our solar system, the sun, and the 8 planets which move around the sun. Okay, right? So we also learned that all those planets move in one path only. They don't change their path, they don't change their lane. They remain in the same path. And what is that fixed path called? It is called the orbit. Yes, we also learned about all those 8 planets which are there in the solar system. About the closest planet, the hottest planet, about our planet, the biggest planet. Then we learned about Saturn, a planet with rings, right? The first planet which was discovered by the astronomers, the Uranus. Yes, the very, 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 very far planet, Neptune. We also learned about the red planet, that is Mars, and the tiny planet which is no longer a planet, Pluto. We also learned that the planets are made up of rocks and gases, didn't we? And we also learned that people who study about these planets and the universe and the stars and all, what are they called? They are called the astronomers. And what do the astronomers use to learn about them, to study about them? They use a special instrument, and that's called a telescope. Lovely children. And that telescope, with that telescope, what did we come to know? We came to know that the stars, when you join those stars, they form a special pattern. And what was that pattern called? They were called the constellations. But through this telescope, the astronomers also discovered something about our planet. Which is our planet, children? Yes, the Earth. They discovered that the earth, when they saw earth, they saw that it was blue in color. And when they came to know, it was because, see, look at this picture, children. What is that blue colored thing? It is all water. And it is because of presence of so much of water on the surface of the earth, it gives the blue color. And the green part and the yellow part, that is all land. The only planet in the solar system which has life. And why does it have life? Because it has lots of water and a special layer called the air. Children, don't all the living things need air to breathe and water to live? Yes. And that is the reason Earth is the only planet wherein there is life. No other planet has life over there. You cannot live over there. Right? But people first thought, children, that earth was flat. Like if you look out of the window, can you see the road? How does it look? Flat. Can you see the other side of the road? Yes, very easily. Can't we? We can always see till the end. So people thought that, oh, I can see the end of the earth, so it is flat. So there was this explorer named Ferdinand Magellan. He loved traveling. So he said, chalo, let me travel through ship and I will reach on the other side of the earth. While traveling, he traveled for few months. And after that, he realized that he came back at the same place from where he started. जहाँ से उन्होंने शुरू किया था ट्रैवल करना, वो वापस वहीं पे पहुँच गए, उसी जगह पे पहुँच गए. So this proved that the earth was not flat, it was round in shape, right? And it was because of Ferdinand Magellan, the explorer, that people came to know that the earth is not flat, it is round in shape. Also, children, the earth is slightly tilted like this on its axis. What is axis? Axis is like an imaginary line which is passing from the middle of the earth. Earth के बीच में से एक line जैसे जा रही है. Can you see that black colored line? The one, a small one at the bottom and the small one on top? Yes, it is not there on the earth really. But that we have drawn so that you understand that earth is slightly tilted like this. Can you see it is tilted? Yes. So the earth is slightly tilted on its axis like this. See? The white colored line. Can you see the slanting line in the middle? Yes. So it is axis and the earth is slightly tilted on its axis like this. Okay. Now, can you see in this picture the part of this earth which is facing the sun, that has daytime, and the part of the earth which is not facing the sun, can you see it is dark? That is night time. And do you know earth moves like a top? Have you seen a top? Have you seen how it spins? कैसे गोल 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 घूमते हैं? Earth also spins in the same manner like a top. Like spin, round, 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 round. It spins. And that spinning movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. It is called rotation. And do you want to know, children, what does rotation look like? Exactly like this. See, isn't it moving like a top? Isn't it? Yes, the earth is moving like a top. And the part of the earth which is facing the sun, the left side, the sun is on the left side. So, the part of the earth which is facing the sun has daytime, and the part of the earth which is not facing the sun has night time. And do you know how much time does this earth take to complete one full round on its axis? It takes 24 hours. It means one full day. Right? So we have day, then night, and then on the next day we have morning. Don't we? So it takes one full day for the earth to complete one rotation. This is rotation. The earth is moving at its own place round and round like a top. And that is rotation. Like a top. See. So when the earth rotates, it is like this. On its axis, it rotates. But yesterday, children, I told you that earth moves around the planets also. Right? It keeps on moving around the sun. I'm sorry, not the planets, but the sun. Yes, all the planets we discussed that they move in their orbit around the sun non-stop. गोल 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 sun के ऊपर आसपास घूमते रहते हैं. Do you want to see how it looks like? It looks like something like this. See, the sun is in the middle and the earth, the blue planet, is moving around it. Can you see it? See, like this. Right? So, the earth, to come back at its same place, it is moving in its fixed orbit. Can you see the black colored oval shaped? That is its orbit. It does not change that part. It keeps on moving. This is called revolution. The earth revolves around the sun like this. And do you know how much time does it take to complete one full revolution? It takes 365 and 1/4 days. So that is 1 year it takes for the earth to complete one full round around the sun. That is called revolution. Did you see this, children? Okay. So when the earth is moving around the sun, see, suppose in the month of March, it is here. Then after 4 months, it reaches here. Then after few months, it reaches here in the month of September. Then in the month of December, it reaches here. So it takes one full circle and that becomes a year. Don't we have months in the year? January, February, March, April, May, right? So if it starts from January, February, then March, then April, then May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And for the Earth to complete one full round around the sun, it is called a revolution, and that takes 365 days. Okay, now children, can you tell me what is this? It's the moon. Yes, it's the moon. Children, I told you all that Earth, universe also consists of satellites. Now, what are these satellites? Satellites are also heavenly bodies. But do you know where do they move? They move around the planet. वो planet के गोल 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 घूमते हैं. Planets किसके around घूमते हैं? Sun के गोल गोल घूमते हैं. And ये जो satellites है वो planets के around घूमते हैं. So when the universe was formed, along with that, the satellites were also formed. And do you know what is Earth's satellite? It is the moon. It is a natural satellite of the Earth which keeps on moving around the Earth. Earth के गोल गोल घूमते हैं. That is moon, which is a natural satellite. And there are other satellites also which we human beings have made. Why? To study about the weather, to study about the different planets. Okay, they are called the artificial or the man-made satellites. See, this was Bhaskara, a satellite which was named after a famous Indian astronomer. Then this is Aryabhatta, another satellite which was made by India, the first satellite which was made by India, and it was named after a famous astronomer of India named Aryabhatta. Now, we have heard about Cartosat or EduSat. EduSat is a satellite which helps you to make study materials. You watch videos related to your studies, you watch stories and all that. So how do you get to know about these stories and all? So there are special satellites which are sent. They are called the EduSats, through which you come to know, through which your small videos are sent to you all. Then we learned about Chandrayaan. Remember? A satellite which was launched recently. It was sent to study about the moon. Right? Then can you see this? Can you see that red planet? Children, which is that red planet? The Mars. And you know, India was the first country which sent a satellite to Mars. The first country in the entire world to send a satellite to Mars. And the name of that satellite, can anyone guess? Do you know? Mangalyaan. Yes. Do you remember that movie Mission Mars? Yes. Or Mission Mangal. Do you remember? And what is Mangal? Mangal is Mars. Yes, children. So today in this chapter, we learnt about our very own planet, the blue planet, about Earth, which has life. We also learned that it is round in shape. And the Earth moves in two ways. Which are the two ways? It moves at its own axis, that is called rotation, like a top, which takes 1 day to complete one rotation. And along with that, it also moves around the sun in its own orbit. And what is that movement called? Revolution. It takes 365 days to complete one revolution. Okay, children? And we have natural satellites which keep on moving around the planets. And around Earth, we have a natural satellite which is Moon. And we human beings have sent lots of satellites into space to study about the universe. Okay? So those satellites are called the artificial satellites or the man-made satellites. And this is how, children, the movement of the Earth looks like. See, it is both the movements. We have the sun which is in the middle. The Earth, the blue planet, is moving around in its orbit. And can you see that gray part which is moving around Earth? That is our satellite Moon. See? The earth is doing its revolution. It is moving around the sun, which takes 1 year, 365 days. So this is all about the chapter for today, children. I hope you all enjoyed learning about different things that are there in our universe. Okay, so soon we will come with one more video related to our planet Earth, but we are going to learn a lot different in that chapter. Till then, see you soon.